Hi everyone! Welcome to this step-by-step tutorial on how to stitch your own jeans pants from scratch. Whether you're a beginner or have some sewing experience, this video will guide you through each stage clearly and simply. Materials introduction. Before we begin, let's go over the materials you'll need. We have denim fabric, a sewing machine with denim needles, matching thread, scissors, measuring tape, chalk, zipper, buttons, and of course, our jeans pattern. Cutting the fabric. Start by laying out your denim fabric and placing the pattern pieces on top. Carefully trace around them using chalk and then cut out each piece. Make sure to cut accurately. This is the foundation of a good fit. Sewing the front panels. Now let's begin with the front panels.
Stitch the front pockets first, following the curve.
Then attach the coin pocket if your pattern includes one. Don't forget to top stitch for that authentic jeans look. Attaching the zipper. Next, we install the zipper. Line it up at the center front and secure it with pins. Sew carefully, making sure the zipper functions smoothly. Back panels and yoke. Time for the back. Sew the yoke pieces to the top of the back panels. Then attach the back pockets, making sure they're symmetrical. Again, top stitching adds strength and style. Joining front and back. Now join the front and back panels at the side seams and inseams. Use a strong stitch for your jeans go through a lot of wear and tear. Waistband and belt loop. Attach the waistband, making sure it sits evenly all around. Then add belt loops and secure them firmly. Top stitch all around for that clean, professional finish. Final touches. Almost done. Hem the bottom of the pants to your desired length. Add the button and give everything a final press.